More biogas. Not too much. Again. Gotta let it warm up a little bit. But I was realizing I didn't let it warm up enough before I turned it on full gas. Starting now, we'll see how long it runs. Starting to speed up so it's starting to warm up. Perfect. Do a little more gas, just like the car. Now it's running. Running real good. I'm only about 3/4, but not all the way. Now we're going up. Let it warm up a little bit more. Plenty of biogas. I say now it's running. Let's go inside. See if we can run with it. Let's see if it'll run that fan. I got that fan on my solar, so I'm going to unplug the fan. See if it'll generator can run it. Look at that. It's going. Starting to speed up. Perfect. Generator's running the fan. There's the cord here from the outside there. That's a cord from the generator. There we go. Does it work? Yep. Oh, it's warmed up now. It's running real good. Oh, you can smell the biogas. Carburetor. See where that just fishes into the man, like the head there. Boom. A little biogas. We're gonna turn her up so you can get some more RPMs out of it. Maybe. There's some full biogas into it now. Bag's starting to go down a little bit. Let's slow press. Running great. Look at that thing go. Yep, fan's going really good now. Finally pick up the RPMs. Instead of just running certain things, you would charge batteries with it. So if you had 20 minutes worth of gas, you might as well charge your batteries and store it as a bank. Instead of just, using it to power a fan, what you do is just keep charging your batteries and then you can run a whole bunch of stuff later on. So that's a great idea. That's all biogas right there. Cool. Running really good. Yeah, that's running way better. I figured it out. I got a little bit. I've got the sulfur diffuser right there. That's that green thing. It filters the gas. Gas keeps going. Running real good. I'm gonna go grab my heat gun. I'll show you the temperature. Alright, we're gonna check the temperature of the exhaust. Let me zoom in here. Almost 400 degrees the exhaust is. Check that out. You know it's working. So you could actually Run coils around the exhaust, like copper coils, you can heat water. If you had a emergency situation, got a lot of biogas still left. We're approaching about 5 minutes worth of runtime, which is really good. Again, you would be charging batteries right now. You wouldn't be running with the fan in there. Check the temperature again. How awesome is that? Check the block. Block's nice and warm. All by biogas, guys. I put a whole bunch of garden waste and stuff like that in yesterday. It's a hot day today. The digesters are making biogas. I started with my drill because I don't like to rip 4 to 8 bullets. That's just, that thing's cranking. I love it. Okay, before I run out of biogas, I want to show you I got a kilowatt meter. That's how many watts that the fan's taking. Let's see the volts. 120 volts, so the generator is at max RPM. How cool is that? It's working, biogas. So basically you could run household appliances.